So, guys, we've had an opportunity where we've got some people from down south give us a call, and it's called McArthur Industries. The guys down there have spent a lot of time in the back end, and I don't know about you, but wind up campers and your Coromals, Jaycos and all that sort of stuff where you got the handles, ropes break, all this stuff. They've built a system now with 12-volt driven unit. It's electronically done where you don't get a sweat, you don't wind it up, and the safety scenario is something we're really big on. And because we've had the situation when we've come back to work this year, I would say we've had 10 to 15 people in that position where they've gone away on holidays and when a cable's broken, a winch is broken, and we've had dramas with that. So we've had the opportunity, and we were speaking to McArthur last year about this, but what they wanted to do, and scenario being, I've been speaking to some of the bigger companies out there with it, is look at the opportunity to fit these to our clients' vans, and us being a Southeast Queensland agent in the area to help them out grow this, but also make it easier in here, because I know brilliant unit, space size, especially for that area, but we want to make sure it's safe for you. And we have had some scenarios over the years where things have broken, come down, hit people, and can cause some dramas. This sort of system's not going to have that problem. So if you're looking for that, reach out to us, get online. We'll start doing some posts on different things like that, and you'll see it. So get on our socials as well, and you'll see some of these items which are amazing to be used. Have a good day. Speak to you soon.